I'm Sunny with HealthyFastFoodStore.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make your Fortune Delight tea. So, to make your Fortune Delight, the first thing you're going to need is some lukewarm water. I have about 20 ounces in a shaker bottle. Now you can also use water bottles this size. You'll need about 2 of these water bottles. So we start with lukewarm water, and we're going to go ahead and open that up. You have to use lukewarm water because it makes it mix much easier. Now I personally have the peach. It comes in a little packet like this, and the tea is powdered, so you can make it anywhere you go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open that up and pour it right into the shaker bottle, the whole packet. Now if you're doing the 2 bottles of water like this size, then I would put a half a packet of Fortune Delight in each bottle. Now, one thing you're really gonna need with your Fortune Delight is Sunnydew Stevia, and this is what it looks like here. It comes in a little bottle, and this acts as a natural sweetener without any extra calories or sugar. So I like to add about 8 drops. 8 drops of Sunnydew Stevia, and that can also be ordered on our website. And then you just put the lid on, and you're gonna go ahead and shake it up. And you just shake it up for a few minutes until it is mixed thoroughly. And like I said before, if you use lukewarm water, it only takes a minute to get that all mixed thoroughly. Now you can add a squeeze of lemon. You can add some different kinds of fruits if you like, just to make it have a really nice flavor. Personally, I like to add a little squeeze of lemon to our peach Fortune Delight, and it makes the best Arnold Palmer. So now that that is mixed thoroughly, you just need your cup of ice, and go ahead and pour and enjoy. That's why I love Fortune Delight, because it is so easy to make on the go or at home. It only takes a couple of minutes before you have a delicious glass of Fortune Delight tea. For more information on Fortune Delight or to place your order, you can visit my website at HealthyFastFoodStore.com.